How to upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can upload a profile picture on Facebook without actually cropping them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to upload a profile picture without cropping them on Facebook, open the Facebook application, then just tap on your profile icon here. Now tap on your profile name over here, and once done, just tap and select profile picture, and then you will be able to select other profile pictures, right? So let me just select a random profile picture here. As I do that, right here you can see it says me to crop it. So if I don't want to crop it, I can just tap this little option here, and then I can simply choose to upload it. Now if you're talking about this little circle, this is not really cropping it, this is only resizing it to show in a normal feed. But when people click on a main profile, so let me show you, I'll just discard this one. If I just come back over here, and then basically right here you can see in a circle, but if I basically tap on it and select see profile picture, it is in the full screen, which means it has not cropped it. So that's the thing you want to understand. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.